Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step tutorial or guide to the perfect fairy updo combo in DTI. So whether you're going for Enchanted Garden, Elf Core, or just want to serve mythical slay, this hair combo is your ticket to fairy tale fabulous. So let's just get started to create this hair. So first, I'm going to just go to the updo hair category and use this hair in here. And I'm going to only use the bangs for this one, and you can color it to the color that you like. For example, I'm going to go with this color in here, and then you can still on the updo hair category put on this hair. It's the same color, and also this one. Remove the bangs. And this updo here. And last, you can go to the bangs category and put on this pink bangs in here. And after that, your fairy updo hair is done, and this is the final look. And so guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.